Hi guys, today we're gonna make bhel puri at home. Take any bhel mix, 1.5 cup. We're gonna take aloo laccha, half cup aloo bhujia, half cup tasty nuts. We're gonna add 3 tablespoons of onion, 4 tablespoons of cucumber, half banana, and 1 small avocado. Now I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of my homemade tamarind chutney. I'm gonna take this Frank hot sauce, 2 tablespoons, sriracha about 2 tablespoons. If you don't like too much spicy, then just put 1 tablespoon each. I'm gonna take tomato ketchup, about 2 tablespoons. Now we're gonna mix. Oh, I totally forgot to put my spices. Now I'm gonna put roasted cumin seed powder, 1 tablespoon, half teaspoon amchoor powder. Mix really well. And guys, you can also put boiled potato in it. That will taste really good. And here we go, our bhel puri is mixed. We're gonna serve it, and thanks for watching guys. Have a nice day.